Hello guys, welcome back to another English class. Today we're going to study there is and there are with food. Hoy vamos a estudiar there is cuando hablamos de un objeto and there are cuando hay dos o más objetos o cosas. Let's begin with some example. Vamos a empezar con algunos ejemplos. There is an apple. There is an apple. Okay, hay una manzana. There is an apple. Okay, now we're going to study with there are. There are some apples. There are some apples. Hay algunas manzanas. There is a carrot. There is a carrot. Hay una zanahoria. There is a carrot. There are carrots. There are carrots. Hay zanahorias. Okay. There are carrots. There is a pear. There is a pear. Hay una pera. There are some pears. There are some pears. Hay algunas peras. There are some pears. There is a cake. There is a cake. Hay un pastel. There are French fries. There are French fries. Hay unas papas fritas. There are French fries. There is an orange. There is an orange. Hay una naranja. There are cookies. There are cookies. Hay galletas. There are cookies. Let's work on our book. Okay, let's go to work on our book. And we're going to work on page 93. Okay, let's work with our books. And it says, listen and label the children. Escuche y etiquete a los niños. Let's listen.
Track 83. 1.
Where's Matt? He's over there. He's eating an apple.
2.
Where's Kate? She's over there. She's eating a cookie.
3.
Where's Ken? He's over there. He's eating a hot dog.
4.
Where's Kelly? She's over there. She's drinking juice.
5.
Where's Meg? She's over there. She's eating ice cream.
6.
Where's Lisa? She's over there. She's eating a hamburger.
7.
Where's Lee? He's over there. He's eating a banana.
8.
Where's Ken? drinking water.
Okay guys, so what you have to do is that you are going to write the name of the boy or the girl. Okay, let's review. Set number 1, where is Matt? Okay, Matt is eating an apple. Let's look at where is Matt. Okay, did you find it? Okay, this is Matt. Okay, Matt. Number 2, where's Kate? She's over there. She's eating a cookie. Kate is eating a cookie, so she's Kate. Number 3, where's Ken? He's over there. He's eating a hot dog. Okay, he's Ken. He's eating a hot dog. So you have to write Ken. Number 4, where's Kelly? She's over there. She's drinking juice. Okay, she's drinking juice. She's Kelly. Okay, you have to write Kelly. Right. Number 5, where's Meg? She's over there. She's eating an ice cream. Can you see? She's Meg. She's eating an ice cream. Okay, you have to write Meg. Number 6, where's Lisa? She's over there. She's eating a hamburger. Okay, she's Lisa. She's eating a hamburger. Very good. Number 7, where's Lee? He's over there. He's eating a banana. Okay, he is Lee. Okay, he's eating a banana. Number 8, where's Kim? She's over there. She's drinking water. She's drinking water and she's Kim. Very good. Now choose and draw a lunch. Okay, now it's your chance, so you have to draw a lunch. Ahora usted dibuje un almuerzo. Okay. Okay, let's go to page 94. Vámonos a la página 94. Listen and stick. Okay, you have to have ready the stickers. Okay, and then you have to stick. Listen.
Track 84.
Mom, I'm hungry. What is there to eat?
There are apples and carrots in the fridge. There is juice, too. And there are cookies and sandwiches on the table. And there is some water, too.
Okay, guys, so you have to paste the stickers. Okay, there are 3 apples and carrots in the fridge. Okay, there are 3 carrots and 2 apples. What else? And there is a juice too. There is a juice. Here there is the juice. And what about the table? Okay, what do we have on the table? And there are cookies and sandwiches on the table. And there is some water too. Okay, on the table there are water, cookies, and sandwiches. Very good. Let's go to the next activity. It says, read, look, and mark. There are bananas? Yes, there are bananas, so you have to write a check. Orange, there are oranges? No, there aren't. Okay, you have to cross. No, there are. And French fry? No. In the fridge. And there is a cake. No, there is not a cake. There are cookies? Yes, there are cookies. And water? Yes, so you have to write check on cookies and check on the water. That's it. Okay, guys, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you next time.